welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday the 6th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Gold has fallen away, it's under pressure and it's putting pressure on this 1260 support of this October low. And it hit that low yesterday and bounced. Marginal bounce as a little bit of a safe haven shift has come back into the market in the last sort of 24 hours. But is it going to be a support that holds? Well, look at these momentum indicators. They're still ranging, really. The RSI is still holding up above 40, which it has done for several months, basically between 40 and 80. That suggests a range play. And the range that we've had would suggest that as well. And sort of marginal deterioration in the MACD lines having crossed lower, but nothing yet excessive. Stochastics sort of buzzing around negative area, but yeah, it still is putting pressure on this 12-month uptrend, which we've been in since December last year. Now, the uptrend was sort of breached on an intraday basis, but held into the close. So that arguably that uptrend still holds water, but a move below 1260 and certainly on a closing level below 1260, then you're talking breakdown, and that would mean 1251, and ultimately you'd measure the width of this trading band, and you'd say that's sort of around about 45 bucks of trading range. So you'd be looking back towards sort of the lows of July again, but we've not yet broken that 1260 support, and momentum indicators are not breaking down yet, but the moves to the downside are putting pressure on this. You've got the hourly chart, which shows falling moving averages all across the spectrum, and failing RSI sort of around the 50 to 65 area. MACD lines failing around neutral. So yeah, rallies get sold into now, and you can see here around sort of 1270 area, old support, becomes new resistance. So you've got this resistance band between sort of 1270, 1275, which is sort of like a near-term sell zone, I think you'd call it. If you see a little bit of a rebound into that, that's likely to come back under pressure again. So little rallies are probably going to be now seen as a chance to sell on gold if this remains under pressure, which it certainly looks like it is doing so. Although we haven't had the breakdown yet, it is potentially building for one. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.